Hi, welcome to WGB's in sprint update for sprint ending August 31st. In this sprint, we delivered new features on invoicing and payments, guard and gate access, forms and workflows, and then tasks and incident management. On invoicing and payments, we developed more the scripts around being able to renew plans that are going to be expiring soon in October. There's a little bit of work left on automating the scripts and creating the new plans, and that we expect to complete in this coming sprint. We also had a new feature request for creating a general plan to handle any excess payments to an account or to a plan. So when there's a payment that exceeds the balance due on a plan, how is the excess payment handled? And we are going to continue to develop more features on how to manage and handle a general plan or a general fund, as we would also refer to it. Lastly, we developed an initial view of plans and where they are, if they're on track, if they're behind. And this is a great view for administrators to start looking at which people or customers or clients they need to reach out to and notify them that they're behind on their payments. On GuardFlow, we've started to create a new process of registering upcoming visitors and new visits, and we're moving more towards the concept of creating a guest rather than a singular visit. This will make our flows a little bit more optimal for potentially the new product direction that we are taking with gate access as well. And then we developed our new customs form based on the feedback that we've received, and then had a soft launch last week on it, and it's actually already in use by the customs agent. We also continue to do some development on the business registry. It worked out because some of the features that were requested were business registry, also applied to forms and workflows management. So we were able to take some advantage of economies of scale here. The tracking and insights from maps is currently on hold because we're still awaiting data from the client on the ground. And then we continue to work on the panic button and the task management availability for site managers. On the panic button, we introduced a GPS location ability to see to add a GPS location to the SMS. This sprint, my focus was on getting the customs form launched. So I'm happy to say that that's officially launched and is currently in use. I also had to support an implementation plan for a potential new partner and start to iterate on the process for the business registry, and create the product roadmap for the next quarter. We've adapted it from the next quarter to the next 6 months. So I'm hoping to complete it in the coming sprint. On the product metrics, we had 14 payments since in the sprint, 296 entries on the gate for one of our clients, and then 4 entries on the customs adoption. In the next sprint, the priorities are continuing to complete the stories that are still pending, and really focusing in on completing the plan management, the notifications, and the general plan management. And then the other big priority is completing the customs report generation from form. So the priority here is really getting the first iteration of a report based on the data that we've started to receive from customs, and it's a critical story to continue the adoption of the customs product. Personally, I will be focused on creating our next 6-month roadmap for the product, and getting that out to the team to review and for our clients to review, and then also create our initial company update report for the quarter, as well as support the executive business review process with our customer success team. And then lastly, I need to create a solution approach for our gate access based on the input that we've received from our customers, as well as supporting the purchase plan supporting the purchase plan product within the application, creating an approach for that as well. So that's it from me.